Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of Bass Butcher Fishing. It's February 27th. We're out here at O'Neill Forebay trying to get on some largies. I didn't check the wind though, and it was the yellow light was on when I first got here, and now it turned red. It's pretty ugly out there. But stay tuned in till the end of the video, and I do smack a nice 3-pound largie. I dropped a new single called Big Caña by Bass Butcher. It's on all digital music platforms. Go ahead and give that a listen to. Stream it on your favorite Spotify, Pandora, all that good stuff. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button along with the notification button. Stay tuned in for more fishing adventures in Northern California. Definitely do not recommend this to first time wader fishing. It's ugly out here, man. We got some bad yellow lights on out there, and it's gonna be real tough to even feel the bite in these kind of conditions, man. That's why it's really important to have all your tools: the good line, good rod. All that comes into play in situations like this. Right now I'm throwing the Dobbins Fury. I got a Shimano Corrado 200 HG on here, 20-pound Power Pro. I'm still running a double uni knot to a 12-pound mono leader, about 6 foot long. Tungsten weight. There he is. There he is, brother. That's a good fish, too. That is a good fish. I feel him. Oh, yeah. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. That is a great fish. Come here, baby. That is a nice bass. Come here, baby. Come here, come here. Oh, yeah, we got you. Right there. This nice snout going. Nice beautiful fish right here. Go and put this nice pretty girl back. Yes, Grandma, you're ready to go. You're ready to go. Look at these whitecaps out here, man. Can't even believe I felt that little tap that he gave me.